I actually use a wire mesh tray up here. I'll go over use and process and function and actually show it being used in another video. But for right now, this is the hopper. It slides down this way. You've got a control right there. You can open or close that if you want it to go faster or slower. I have not really tinkered around with this too much, other than to open it enough to let it flow without it just absolutely going bonkers. So far, this seems to be working. It's got a pretty small gap down in here. There's a shadow here, but down in here is where that gap is all along this. And it's working out pretty well. Nothing gets clogged up here. Nothing gets stuck. And so far, no major issues there. It drops down, and there's a lot of layers in here. This top layer right here, that separates the frass out. And so it drops into that. There's a screen that slides in there. I actually have that screen out because I need to change the screen. So this right here is the screen. It's just too open. It gets all the frass out, gets the chitin out. Things are separating very nicely from a frass larva perspective, except smaller larvae are going through.